Hello, passionate gardener. Welcome back with another exciting gardening video. This is my greenhouse, and you can see a lot of chili, Malabar spinach, and cucumber, other plants. And what I'm going to show you today about bottle gourd or calabash. This is the plant is very easy to grow in UK. You can see I have grown in a pot. You'll be seen my earlier video that I have harvested from the small plant or small plant grown in a small pot. I have already harvested 2 bottle ground, and this is the plant is useful because it's edible plant as well. You can eat the leaves, you can eat the stems. So because it's done, and I might have few more coming off the side shoots, but I'm going to prune it, or I would say I'm going to cut it so that I can we can enjoy the flavor or taste of these leaves and stems. So for that I'm just going to cut from this, and I'll take few more cuts from top to until this side, and we'll enjoy the leaves. So this is really easy to grow. I am growing in the inside the greenhouse. I harvested 2 big bottle gourd already. You can see the plants, it's started from this base. What they really need is regular watering, and soil should be multi-purpose compost, or you can use the top soils, should be enough. That soil should be well drained. About the fertilizer, I try to use organic fertilizer, like I use chicken manure as well as the banana peels. These are the dried banana peels. You can see they are dried out. I use them here. There are a few more here. So these release the fertilizer slowly, and the plant is keep growing. So like how easy it's to grow organic fruit or vegetables with this simple or easily available fertilizer like banana peels, or you can use chicken manure or some few more things. So if you do like this video, don't forget to give a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and keep sharing the videos around the gardening. You can see my healthy other plants like chili, and there are a lot of chilies here, you can see here. So if you love gardening, I would say subscribe and keep following the new content that I keep sharing, and share your comments if you have some other thoughts, or you would like to record something else from my side. Until the next video, I'm like to say goodbye to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, happy gardener. Or say bye bye, passionate gardener as well. Thank you. Bye.